Friends, next our heading is change into mixed fraction. Before we go through change into improper fraction, then we given the mixed fraction change into improper, but here the improper change into mixed fraction. So I take one improper proper fraction here. So I take the improper fraction. So by the improper fraction definition, the numerator should greater than the denominator. So this is our numerator. I take it as n. So the bottom 7 is our denominator. So I take it as d. So numerator n and denominator d. Solution. So change into mixed fraction, we have the formula mixed fraction is equal to quotient remainder divided by denominator. So students, when we get quotient, remainder and denominator division only. So now I do the division. So which one comes out? The denominator comes out, then the numerator get inside. So which table? 7 table. 1 7 is 7. 2 7s are 14. So here we have 13. So how many times it has come? One time only. So I write on 1 above. 1 7 is 7. I subtract. So how much we get? Remaining 13 minus 7. We get 6 is a remainder. So this is a remainder. This is nothing but quotient. This 7 is our denominator. So now these three numbers we have to apply the formula, mixed fraction formula. The quotient, remainder and denominator in the mixed fraction formula. Our quotient is 1, our remainder is 6, then the denominator is 7. So apply in mixed fraction formula 1, then R is 6, the denominator is 7. So now we get the mixed fraction. This is the integer, this is the proper fraction. So according to the definition, mixed fraction definition, we get the fraction. So this is called the mixed fraction. Our answer 13 divided by 7 change into mixed fraction. We get the answer 1. 6 divided by 7. Students, next our topic is addition of fraction. I take the problem 7 divided by 11 plus 3 divided by 11. Here you note down both the denominators are same. So this is called like fraction. So when we do addition or subtraction, first we should check the given problem is in like fraction or unlike fraction, because when the given fraction in form of like fraction, then only we can do addition or subtraction. Suppose they given in a unlike problem means we try to change the given problem in form of like fraction. That is we will see in later. Here I given the like fraction only, so we don't have any problem. Directly we can add. So our solution, so both denominators are 11. So I write down 11. We want to add 7 plus 3. So 7 plus 3. So 7 plus 3 we get 10. 10 divided by 11. So this is our answer. So answer is equal to 7 divided by 11 plus 3 divided by 11 is equal to 10 divided by 11. Now problem 1 divided by 3 plus 3 divided by 13. Students, here you see the denominator, both are different. So this is unlike fraction. So unlike fraction we given means first we need or try to change into like fraction. How we change the unlike fraction into like fraction? We take cross multiply. So the solution is I cross multiply the 1 by 3 plus 3 by 13. The first fraction I cross multiply by this denominator 13. So 1 divided by 3 multiple this 13 by both numerator as well as the denominator. Multiple by 13. So 1 13 is equal to 13 divided by 3 times 13. So what we get? 3 3s are 9. 1 3 is 3. Or else you write the 13 table. 113 is 13. 2 13s are 26. 3 13s are 39. So 3 times 13, 39. Now I get the fraction 13 divided by 39. This is number 1. Then I come to the second fraction. This fraction has multiple by 3. So both numerator and denominator we need to multiply by 3. So second fraction 3 divided by 13 multiple by 3. Both 3 3s are 9 divided by 3 times 13 is equal to nothing but 39. So 39. Now we get the fraction 9 divided by 39. I take it as 2. We get or we add 1 and 2. The first one is 13 divided by 39 plus 9 divided by 39. Now students, you see both the denominators are same. we get the 39 and 39. So now this is in form of like fraction. Now we can do addition or subtraction. So the denominator 39, then the numerator 13 plus 9. We add 13 plus 9, 22. 22 divided by 39. Divided by 3 plus 3 divided by 13 is equal to 22 divided by 39. So our answer is sum is equal to 22 divided by 39. So this is our answer. Students, in this session we go through some definitions. Then the first topic is change into improper fraction. Then second topic is change into mixed fraction. The last one, addition of fraction. So you refer well and do the assignment, students. Thank you.